Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to register and fill in your details on the Fiverr platform, which is a freelancing platform. Registration is easy. I'll teach you step by step how to fill out everything correctly. Before we start the video, I really wanted to ask for help subscribing to my channel and liking this video.
So let's go to the video. The first thing I'm going to do is search for the platform here on Google. Once you search, click on the first one that appears for you. As soon as you open the website, it will automatically prompt you to log in or create an account. The quickest way to create an account within Fiverr is with a Google account. Wait a few seconds, a screen will appear for you to select which Google account you want to use to create the account. Click Continue. Here is where you will create your username, remembering that it is not necessarily your name with spaces, but rather your @ Write the username in lowercase letters only, and if you want to leave a space, type underline. If the name you entered is available, just click on Create My Account. Once done, you have now managed to create your account within Fiverr. Now I'm going to show you how to select your profile and configure it completely, so you can start selling or working within the platform. Here they are asking, what brings you to Fiverr? You have two options. The first is for you if you are looking for someone to do a service for you. And the second option is when you are going to do the service for some people. Just click on one of the two and continue. Here they are asking what type of freelancer you are. You can answer a side hustle, solo freelancer, agency employee, or agency owner. Respond according to the type of freelancer you are, and click on the option. On this screen, the site is asking what is your experience with freelancing. You have four options. You can put that you are a beginner, online freelancer, offline freelancer, or both online and offline. Choose one of the options and click the Finish button. Now, it's time for you to provide your information and complete your profile to be ready to start working. Click on the black button where it says Complete Your Profile. Wait a few seconds, a green button will appear in the middle of the screen. Q está escrito Become a Seller. Click on this button. Here, they are explaining a little how it will work for you to complete your profile information. Click on the green button to continue. Click the Continue button again. Again, click on the Continue button. Now, we open the form with all our information and specialties. The first step is to fill in your name. Note that all the questions that have a red asterisk are mandatory to fill out. Put your first name, and on the right side, put your middle name or your last name. Below where it says Display Name, enter the name that will be your account. This name filled in will be the name that the site will call you. After filling in your name, add a profile photo of yourself. Profile photo is mandatory. To add a photo to your profile, click on this large circle, and your computer files will automatically appear. Now just select a photo you like and put it as your profile. Here, you will put your profile description, so anyone who visits your profile will be able to read your description. It's like a biography of your profile. Now, select the language. In the first option where it says Language, select the language you know how to speak. And on the right side, select how much you know how to speak that language. You can select from beginner to fluent, and you can also add other languages if you know how to speak. We can see that I selected the English language. Now, select whether we can fully speak this language or not, and on the right side, there is a button written Add. You click on it if you know how to speak more than one language. I only speak English. So let's just select English, and let's now click on the green Continue button below. Some more data will appear for you to fill in. Firstly, you must select your occupation, select what you know how to do and what experience you have. You can add more than one if you want. We can see that there are several experience options. You can add as many experiences as you have. So if you know how to design, and you know how to do video animation, you can do these two if you want. He wants You can also see that they ask for a year. There you will select the year you took this course or college. So if, for example, you went to college in 2018 and finished in 2020, so you must first select 2018 and then 2020. Just select the time in which you studied this topic. When you select a genre that you studied, we can see that several additional options appear for us to click on to specify what exactly you studied. Now, you will select your skills and talents. You can select any or right. And on the right side, you select the level of recognition you have in your skill, that is, the level of experience. Scrolling down a little bit, we are now in the Education tab. Here, you will fill in your details, such as, if you studied, if you have already finished high school, and if you have already taken any type of course or college. And they also ask if you have any certificates to add, which can greatly increase the chances of getting a job faster. Of course, before selecting all this, you must inform the country in which you studied, so you can specify which school or college you graduated from, remembering that it is not necessarily mandatory to have a certificate or diploma. If you don't have one, you can still work at Fiverr. Note that the options that are for you on your certificate are not mandatory options, because they are not options that have that red indicating that they are mandatory. If you don't have it, just leave it blank and skip this part. After completing everything, you have already finished registering and providing your personal information here on the website. When you are finished, just click on the green continue button and you will be able to start work quickly. And that's all for today, guys. I really hope I helped you in some way. Subscribe to the channel and leave your like. This will help me a lot too. See you next time. Goodbye.